Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Lakeview Inn Centralia. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Centralia, within 25 miles of hands-on Children's Museum and 2.5 miles of Southwest Washington Fairgrounds, Lakeview Inn Centralia has accommodations with barbecue facilities and free Wi-Fi as well as free private parking for guests who drive. The property is around 8.1 miles from Great Wolf Lodge Grand Mound, 25 miles from Washington Center for the Performing Arts and 25 miles from Olympia Community Center. The motel has family rooms. At the motel, the rooms come with a balcony with a lake view. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with a bath and a hairdryer, all rooms at Lakeview Inn Centralia have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms also feature a seating area. Guest rooms will provide guests with a desk and a coffee machine. Guests at the accommodation will be able to enjoy activities in and around Centralia, like fishing. Centralia is 1.1 miles from Lakeview Inn Centralia, while Ford's Prairie is 2.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, 73 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.